Hey there! Welcome back to the Daily House Ideas, your cozy corner of the internet where beautiful homes meet real budgets. I'm so glad you're here today because we are diving into something truly special, a complete spring farmhouse refresh using IKEA pieces. From your front porch all the way to your bathroom, we're covering every single space. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button right now and ring the notification bell. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming. Drop a comment below and tell me, what's your favorite spring color? Let's get into it. Your home's exterior is the opening chapter of your farmhouse story, and spring is the perfect time to write it beautifully. Think crisp white or warm grayish board and batten siding paired with black matte accents, a classic modern farmhouse aesthetic that never ages. IKEA's Vegka artificial outdoor plants bring lush greenery to your porch without the maintenance. Flank your front door with matching potted topiaries, add a galvanized metal lantern from IKEA's seasonal collection, and hang a simple wreath with dried cotton stems and eucalyptus. Instantly charming. Your entryway sets the entire tone of your home, so let's make it work hard and look gorgeous. IKEA's Hemnes shoe cabinet in white is a farmhouse dream. Clean lines, hidden storage, and it doubles as a console surface. Mount a Chuzig hat and coat rack above for that effortless layered farmhouse look. Hang a woven straw hat, linen tote, and a few keys on a handmade clay ring. Add a round lange-sunned mirror, a chunky knit runner mat, and a small ceramic bowl for everyday essentials. Simple, purposeful, and undeniably charming. Spring farmhouse living rooms breathe. They're airy, soft, and layered with texture. Start with IKEA's Ektorp sofa in a natural linen slipcover. Its relaxed silhouette is the epitome of casual elegance. Layer a cream boucle throw with a faded floral lumbar pillow for that curated but effortless vibe. A Stockholm jute rug grounds the space beautifully. Style your calyx shelving unit as a shelfie moment. Stack linen-bound books, a dried pampas stem, and a small terracotta pot. Soft sage and blush tones are your spring palette. Keep it light, keep it breathable. The farmhouse dining table is where memories live, and IKEA's oak veneer table is an absolute showstopper at an accessible price. Pair it with mismatched Ingolf chairs in white for that collected over time aesthetic, a beloved farmhouse design principle. For your spring tablescape, layer a natural linen runner, a wooden dough bowl filled with moss balls and white tulips, and taper candles in terracotta holders. Use Vartigen stoneware plates for that rustic, handcrafted feel. Add a small chalkboard sign with a spring quote, personal, warm, and utterly farmhouse. A farmhouse kitchen is the heart of the home, warm, functional, and full of character. IKEA's Axtad matte white cabinet fronts on a section base instantly evoke that classic shaker-style farmhouse look. Style open shelving with stacked Vartigen ceramic bowls, iron skillets, and fresh herb pots in terracotta. Your refrigerator gets a farmhouse moment too. Add a wooden clip-frame chalkboard to its side for grocery lists. Tuck a compact IKEA-compatible capsule coffee machine in a dedicated corner coffee station, styled with a linen-lined tray, a mason jar of wooden spoons, and a small potted succulent. The family room is where real life happens, and your farmhouse design should honor that. Center the space around IKEA's best TV unit in white with wicker front inserts. It's storage and style in one. Mount your flat-screen TV above a faux shiplap accent wall. You can DIY this with paint and a level for under $50. Layer your seating with a Pauwith Darasinchi chair draped in a chunky knit blanket, and anchor the room with a large jute rug. Add a wicker basket beside the sofa for blanket storage. Functional farmhouse design at its absolute finest. Every home deserves a quiet corner that inspires, and this multifunctional space delivers both productivity and peace. Use IKEA's Alex desk in white for your compact home office. Its slim drawers keep clutter invisible. Style the desktop with intention. A unique small brass desk clock, a vintage-inspired mini radio for soft background music, and a single bud vase with a sprig of eucalyptus. Just steps away, carve out your reading nook with a Bauhaus and G chair, a floor lamp, and a small floating lac shelf for your current reads. Layered, intimate, and completely yours. Your bedroom should feel like a breath of fresh spring air, soft, serene, and deeply restful. IKEA's Hemnes bed frame in white is a farmhouse icon. Its classic profile pairs beautifully with natural wood nightstands. Dress your bed in layers. Start with a white cotton duvet, add a washed linen blanket in sage, and finish with pillows in varying textures: waffle knit, embroidered cotton, and velvet. Hang a simple macrame wall piece above the headboard. On your Hemnes dresser, style a small tray with a candle, a dried floral stem, and a tiny framed botanical print. Peaceful, purposeful, beautiful. Farmhouse bathrooms balance function and calm effortlessly, and IKEA makes it so accessible. Style your vanity with a Godmorgan cabinet in white oak for that warm, natural grain texture. Choose a vessel sink in matte white and pair it with brushed nickel fixtures, a simple swap that elevates everything. In the shower, a bamboo caddy holds glass bottles decanted with your favorite products, instantly editorial. Roll linen hand towels in a Dragon basket beside the sink. Add a potted fern on a small stool, a wooden bath mat, and a single candle. Minimalist farmhouse luxury done. Your garage doesn't have to be an afterthought. A farmhouse-inspired garage is organized, charming, and hardworking. IKEA's BR shelving system in steel is your best friend here. Industrial in material, farmhouse in spirit when styled with woven storage bins and labeled canvas totes. Use a pegboard wall. Paint it white and mount black iron hooks for tools, baskets, and even a potted succulent shelf. A galvanized metal bucket makes a perfect umbrella stand at the entry. Lay down an outdoor-rated striped runner rug for that welcoming touch. Proof that beautiful design has no boundaries. Your patio is an extension of your home, and spring is its season to shine. IKEA's Floor Outdoor Furniture Collection in acacia wood is the ultimate farmhouse patio foundation. Style a bistro-inspired dining set with a linen tablecloth, a mason jar of wildflowers, and mismatched candle holders. Hang Solvenden solar-powered string lights overhead for golden hour magic. Layer your seating with outdoor-safe lumbar pillows in stripes and florals. Add a potted lavender bush, a wicker lantern, and a simple welcome mat with a botanical print. This is where spring memories get made. Step outside and enjoy every moment. Color is the soul of your spring farmhouse refresh. And the good news? You only need a few. Build your palette around a neutral foundation: soft white, warm linen, and natural wood tones. Then layer in your spring accents: sage green, dusty rose, soft butter yellow, and the occasional terracotta pop. This approach is called tonal layering, building depth through shades of the same family rather than contrast. IKEA's textiles do this beautifully across their spring collections. Stick to this palette throughout every room for a home that feels cohesive, intentional, and genuinely pulled together from front door to back porch. Here's a designer tip you'll use forever. Texture is what separates a flat room from a rich one. Farmhouse design thrives on material contrast. The interplay between rough and smooth, soft and hard, natural and refined. In every room, aim for at least 3 textures. Think a jute rug, rough, linen pillows, soft, and a ceramic vase, smooth. IKEA's product range covers all 3 beautifully and affordably. Wicker, wrought tan, cotton, linen, raw wood, matte ceramic. These are your farmhouse texture vocabulary. Master this principle, and every room you design will instantly feel more layered, more intentional, and more professionally styled. Beautiful farmhouse style doesn't require an unlimited budget. It requires a smart eye. Here's how the pros shop IKEA for farmhouse results. First, focus on IKEA for large furniture pieces where value matters most. Second, elevate with small swaps. Swap standard IKEA hardware for black iron pulls to instantly upgrade any cabinet. Third, shop IKEA's ASIS section for unique, discounted finds. Fourth, combine IKEA basics with thrifted ceramics, handmade textiles, and vintage finds for that curated over time look authentic farmhouse design is known for. The result? A home that looks expensive, feels personal, and costs a fraction of designer prices. One of the most powerful and affordable design strategies is the seasonal accessory swap. Rather than redecorating your entire home each season, identify 5 to 7 key accessory zones: your entryway tray, coffee table, dining table centerpiece, bathroom shelf, and bedroom nightstand. Each spring, simply refresh these zones with seasonal pieces: tulip stems, pastel ceramics, linen in soft colors, and botanical prints. IKEA's seasonal collections make this easy and budget-friendly. Store off-season accessories in labeled IKEA Samla bins to keep things organized. This approach keeps your home feeling fresh year-round without the overwhelm or the credit card regret. Lighting is the most underrated design tool in any home, and farmhouse lighting is especially magical. The key principle is layered lighting. Combine ambient light, overhead fixtures, task lighting, desk or reading lamps, and accent lighting, candles, string lights in every room. IKEA's Ranurp and Hector pendant lights bring an industrial farmhouse edge to kitchens and dining rooms. Home floor lamps cast a warm, diffused glow perfect for living rooms and reading nooks. Always choose warm-toned bulbs, 2700K, over cool white. They make every farmhouse space feel instantly cozier, more golden, and more inviting at every hour. Farmhouse design has always celebrated nature, and spring is the perfect time to lean into this fully. Biophilic design is the practice of connecting interior spaces to the natural world, and it's one of the most impactful things you can do for a home's atmosphere. IKEA's Vegka artificial plant range is remarkably realistic and perfect for low-light spaces. Complement with real, easy-care plants, pothos, snake plants, and herbs in the kitchen. Use wooden bowls, stone coasters, and dried botanicals throughout. Bring branches of flowering cherry or eucalyptus indoors in a simple ceramic vase. Nature is the best decorator, always has been. The farmhouse homes that feel the most special always have one thing in common: handmade, personal touches that no store can replicate. You don't need to be crafty, you need to be intentional. Try these easy DIYs. Paint a terracotta pot in soft white and plant fresh herbs for your kitchen shelf. Frame a botanical watercolor print downloaded for free online. Tie a bundle of dried lavender with a linen ribbon and hang it in your bathroom. Decant your pantry staples into IKEA cork and glass jars with handwritten labels. These micro-details are what interior designers call the layer of life, and they make everything feel authentically, beautifully yours. And just like that, friend, your spring farmhouse is complete, from the front facade to the back patio, styled with intention, warmth, and the very best that IKEA has to offer. I hope today's video proved that a beautiful home doesn't require a designer's budget, just a designer's eye. Start small, layer with love, and let your home evolve with every season. If you found any of these ideas inspiring, please give this video a thumbs up. It truly means the world and helps this channel grow. Subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for fresh design inspiration every week, and leave a comment telling me which room you're refreshing first. I'll see you in the next one. Happy decorating!